welcome to another Math Homework Helpers Shorts. I'm Max, and I'm here with Mr. Teng. And Mr. Teng, what do we got today?
Hey Max, today we're going to be working with our second grade friends.
Awesome!
So we are definitely in the thick of things with our place value and our adding and our subtracting and just working with numbers. So what we're going to do here today is we're going to do a little bit of add, subtract, compare. This is Module 2, Session 2 in Unit 2. Lots of twos there.
Lots of twos, yeah.
All right. So this first question says, fill in the missing numbers on the addition tables. Some of the numbers have already been filled in for you. So we have 2 of these to do, and then I think we have 2 subtraction ones to do as well. Okay. So on this addition table, looks like we have a plus sign at the top left, meaning we're going to be adding these numbers. So we're going to go ahead and cross-reference it. So the first one's done for us, where it says 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're just going to we want to go as quickly as we can, kind of just we're going to take our time, but we're also going to go kind of quickly on this.
Gotcha. So
all
especially with the easier ones here, like the ones.
Okay, let's do it.
All right, here we go.
3 plus 1.
That's 4.
4 plus 1.
That's 5.
5 plus 1
is 6.
6 plus 1.
7.
And 7 plus 1.
8.
So that was nice and easy, right? So for those of you at home, if you have these addition facts down, practice the ones that you aren't as familiar with, okay? So let's try, now it looks like all of these are going to be plus 2. You ready?
Gotcha.
2 plus 2.
4.
2 plus 3.
5.
2 plus 4.
6.
2 plus 5.
7.
And 2 plus 6.
8.
Awesome. Now we can do the same thing. Look, we could do the same thing with 2's again if I start with this 2. 2 plus 3.
5.
2 plus 4 is already done. 2 plus 5.
7.
2 plus 6.
8.
And 2 plus 7.
9.
Awesome. So we're halfway there almost. Let's do our 3. 3 plus 3.
3 plus 3 is 6.
That's a nice little doubles fact there for you. 3 plus 4.
7.
3 plus 5 is done. Is 8. 3 plus 6
is 9. We're filling it in, Mr. Teng.
All right, let's do our 4s next.
Okie dokes.
4 plus 3
is 7.
And boys and girls, it's okay if you need to use your finger to count, if you need to use counters to count, if you need to use anything to help you reference the numbers. The best way to use your fingers when you're doing 4, let's do the next one. 4 plus 4. Well, 4 plus 4 is a nice double fact.
Yeah.
4 and 4 is
8.
But if you need to use your fingers for the next one, example, 4 plus 5, you start with 4 in your head and just count up 5 more. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
There it is.
There's no shame in using your fingers.
Not at all.
Unless you don't have any fingers.
Yeah. Well, I got more like there's kind of like paws with kind of fingery paws.
All right. Sorry. Sore subject.
Falls. Yeah. There we go. All right. Moving on.
All right. 4 plus 6.
Oh, 10.
That's a nice little 10 fact for you. All right. And moving right along here, we have 5 and 3. 5 plus 3.
That's 8.
5 plus 4.
9.
5 plus 5.
10. My favorite.
And 5 plus 6.
11.
All right. We are chugging along here. Now we have our 6 here, or we could look at this. 3 plus 6 or 6 plus 3. 3 plus 6 is?
9.
Awesome. So we're kind of filling it out as we go here.
Look at this, yeah.
Let's challenge ourselves a little. Let's do 6. 6 plus 4.
Would be 10.
10. We love that one. 6 plus 5 is 11. 6 plus 6?
12.
Doubles fact. All right. Now we have 7 plus 4.
11.
Okay. 7 plus 5?
12.
And 7 plus 6?
3,000. Just kidding. 13.
13. All right. So since we just did an addition example, let's skip the next addition example. Let's go straight to the subtraction.
Whoa, cool.
This is quite a challenge here, I think.
Yeah, man.
All right. So fill in the missing numbers on a subtraction table. Some of the numbers have been filled in for you. And so the ones that don't have any means you can't do that right now, okay?
Okay.
So without going into negative numbers, we are going to stay with positive numbers.
We're going to keep this episode positive.
All right. So let's start here. 5 minus 0.
That would be 5.
If you have 5, you take away nothing, you still have?
5.
All right. 4 take away 0.
4 take away 0 would be 4.
3 take away 0.
3.
And 2 minus 0 is 2. 1 minus 0.
1.
And what if you have nothing and you're subtracting nothing?
You still got nothing.
So we have 0. All right. So we have 1 minus 1.
0.
What if we have 2 minus 1?
Then you got 1.
3 minus 1.
2.
4 minus 1.
That's 3.
And 5 minus 1.
4.
Oh, this is a lot easier than I thought it would be.
Yeah, it's kind of fun. Actually, it's not kind of fun. It is fun.
It is a lot of fun.
Keep it going, Mr. Tang.
All right, 5 minus 2.
Let's see. 5, 4, 3.
Let's just keep going down to 5s. 5 minus 3.
5 minus 3. 2.
5 minus 4.
1.
And 5 minus 5.
0.
Awesome.
Nada.
And I think this whole diagonal here is going to be 0. So what's 2 minus 2?
0.
What's 3 minus 3?
0.
4 minus 4?
0. That was fun.
That was a fun one. 3 minus 2?
1.
4 minus 2?
2.
And 4 minus 3?
1. Mr. Tang, do you see the pattern diagonally?
I do see it. Let's highlight it for our friends.
Yeah.
So we have all these zeros.
Look at that. Then all these 1s.
All these 1s.
And all the 2s.
All the 2s.
And all the 3s.
All the 3s.
And the 4s.
And the 4s. And then we have
1, 5.
1, 5.
Cool. Man, that looks good.
Yeah, that was fun.
That was great.
Do we have anything else? Oh, want to do a little bit of comparing?
Yeah, I love these things.
All right, let's finish off with some comparing. So the
Cool.
first one's done for us here. It says, here are 6 pairs of Unifix cube collections. We'll just do a couple of them. Actually, we'll just do one here. For each pair, write a mathematical statement to show exactly how many cubes are in each collection. I think we did that last week, right?
Yeah.
As well as which is greater and which is less. So now we're not just counting it, but we're also comparing it. Awesome. So the first one's done. We have 6 tens, which we said is 60.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have 4 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 45 over here. So 60 is greater than 45. Actually, let's do a couple of these, why don't we?
Okay.
Yeah. All right, so let's take a look. What do we have on the left side here?
We got 4 10s.
Uh-huh.
And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones.
So that's 47. 4 tens and 7 ones is 47.
Mm-hmm.
And what do we have on the right?
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10s and 1 1. So it'd be 51.
So we have 47 on one side and 51 on the other. And our vocabulary words that we're looking at are less than, equal to, or greater than. So it's 47
Is
less than, equal to, or greater than 51.
47 is less than 51.
All right, and we can tell because we already have an extra 10 there.
Yeah.
Right? So that's an easy way to compare that.
Absolutely.
Starting with your tens place.
Cool, cool, cool.
All right, let's do. Let's see if we have time for 2 more of these.
Okay. Yeah, I think
All
we
right.
do.
So we have what we have on this side.
We have 1 10 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones.
So we have 18, 1 10, and 8 ones.
On the other side, we have 2 10s. Oh, I can tell already. And then 3 ones. So 23.
So just like Max said, he saw the 2 10s and he said, I can tell already. He knew that that was already going to be greater because there was an extra tens placed there. So let's say this all together. 18 is
less than 23.
less than 23.
Oh, man,
All right.
these are fun.
One
All right,
more,
Here we
buddy.
go.
You got it in you?
Oh, yeah. Here it is.
Let's do it. How many do we have here?
We got 3 10s, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. 36. In the second grouping, we have 2 10s, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. 29.
All right, so we have 36 on one side and 29 on the other side. Max, take us home.
36 is greater than 29.
Greater than 29. Wow, that was a ton of fun, buddy.
That was great. And I feel like you can do it a little, for me anyway, the picture, the diagrams definitely help me to compare it more easily.
Yeah, so that's definitely a strategy that you guys can use out there. If you're stuck and you have just the numbers, maybe draw yourself a little visual using some of the things that we know, like these tens cubes, to help us figure it out.
Awesome. Well, boys and girls, we're so glad that you watched our next episode here. This is awesome. And we're going to have a next episode next time on the Math Homework Helpers Shorts. Until then, everybody have a great rest of your day. And we'll see you next time. Next time.
See you next week.
Time for Math Homework Helpers, oh yeah!